Kalimera. This afternoon I'm in Kamini village, slightly above the actual village, and as you can probably see behind me, with a stunning view of the sea. It's a plot of land, very large, easy to build a 3-4 bedroomed house on it, with permission of course. Lots and lots of evidence of previous properties being here, and I promise the trick is that come with it. Let's go and have a look.